Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hey everyone! Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in Filmora. If you're not familiar with keyframes, they're a powerful tool in video editing that allow you to create smooth transitions, animations, and effects by adjusting settings over time. Don't worry though, this process is actually really simple and easy to follow, even if you're new to video editing. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how to incorporate keyframes into your projects to take your editing skills to the next level. Let's get started.